I think when you come to Sittella, you'll experience a tranquility and you'll feel a sense of relaxation. We have a little lake at the bottom of Sittella, and we have a very relaxing overlooking deck area where you can sit and enjoy a glass of Sittella wine and also a nice meal. The lesson we learned from lockdown was readjust. COVID was an unnatural disaster. It caused a lot of stress, not just to us, but to our employees, and the uncertainty was very significant. We decided on a plan to try and reopen and reconnect with our customers. And we ended up having a very busy takeaway service, and we had people even coming from Mandurah to get takeaway, which is really remarkable. Even in this stressful period for people, there is a lot of good that comes out. I think you should come to Sittella because it's a wonderful experience, not just the scenery, but the customer service, the wines and the food.